you're gonna learn how to make your own Reese bass using GMS. Let's get into it, guys. All right, guys. First off, when you open up GMS, that's what they're gonna see, and that's what they're gonna hear. This song, that's just a default bass song. So what you have to do to set it to default is go to the bank, go to user, and set to default. So right now we have free source, yeah, free wave shapes that are source. So listen to it right now. Simple. So now we're gonna turn that into a Reese bass. Let's get into it now, guys. Let's look at the parameters right now. We're gonna use the filter, the envelope, and the oscillators. Oscillators right there. That's oscillator 2 for this one. So this is the one we're gonna switch. We're gonna change up and we're gonna find a song and let's see. Okay, first off, guys, let's go. Let's go to the second wave and let's choose something. I'll choose silk. Let's listen. Then, guys, we're gonna set the octave on the right side to -2. Yeah, man. So we're finding the song already. Simple. Finding the song. So let's now we're gonna do. Let's just lay out a quick bass pattern. All right, guys. Now we have a simple bass pattern now layout, and now we're gonna play with the parameters. Let's see what we get. All right, guys. We're gonna boost oscillator 2. Let's listen to it. Next, let's boost the unison. Around 46 good. Song's okay. The detune, let's boost it up a little as well. $44. And let's add some voices. Next, we're gonna add like, let me see, let's add around like 6 voices. Let's listen. Yeah, man, guys, the song is coming. It's coming. It's getting here. Yeah, so next, what we're gonna do, we're gonna head to the filter now and let's filter up the high frequency. So if you do, you go down to filter, click KBD tracking, make sure it's on. Let's run the sample. Yeah, man, and that is a Reese based song. But we're gonna take it a little further. Let's go to the frequency slide. Let's select it on, turn it on, and let's slide. Okay, so right now you won't hear this slide, but listen to it when I play the notes. When you go from one note to the next, listen to it now. Yeah. All right, guys. Next, what we're gonna do is let's play the attack because you don't want your wrist bass to be punching at the start. Let's play. Yeah, honestly, right now I think we have a decent song. Yeah, we have a decent sound in wrist bass. Now you can send it into your mixer track and add whatever effects you will like to add after that and thing. But yeah, that's how you make a wrist bass in GMS. And this video was suggested by one of my fans that asked me how to make a wrist bass. Yeah, V, big up yourself for suggesting that video.